Hello everyone, welcome to Speak with Indu. Today I am going to share my real journey, how I improved my English using social media and books. If you are learning English, this video will help you a lot because I did not go to any big institute to learn English. I simply used simple things, mobile and books. Before, I was not confident. I could not speak English. I am afraid of speaking. When I saw others speaking, I felt nervous. Have you ever felt like this? I decided I will speak English. Then I started using social media. I watched videos, I watched English reels, I learned new words, I learned small sentences, simple conversations. There was a girl, she started watching videos daily. She watched just 10 minutes. After some days, she started understanding. She just watched only for 10 minutes, but she started repeating every sentences again and again. And after some days, she started understanding. Message of this story is consistency is more important than time. Say again with me. I am learning English. I am watching videos. I am improving. I am confident. Short videos helped me a lot because short videos are short, easy, and quick learning. I learned new words, small sentences. Then I started reading books. Simple books, not tough. I started learning new words, new sentences. First, it was hard, but after some days, it becomes easy. There was a boy. He started reading one page daily, just one page. After some days, he improved a lot. Small steps is equals to big result. Say after me, I am reading book. I am learning new words. I am improving. I learned sentence structure, combination of social media and books. By using social media, you can listen and speak. And by using books, you learn new vocabulary and you learn sentence structure and build confidence. There was a student who used both social media plus books, started listening and speaking from social media, new words and sentence structure from books. Using both, he able to speak English faster than others. Smart learning important. Say after me. I watch videos, I'm reading books, I'm learning English, I'm improving, I am confident. I'm confident. Now I can speak English. I am practice daily. There was a boy who is afraid of English. Now he started practice daily and he became confident. So practice makes man perfect. You also practice daily. There was a girl who afraid of speaking and he just started practice daily. So consistency is the key to success and now he is speaking confidently. Repeat after me. I'm confident. I'm speaking. I can speak English. I'm speaking every day. In the comment section, I'm learning English and I'm confident. Hope you like this videos. If you like these videos, like, share and subscribe for more videos. I will see you in the next video. If you have any suggestion, any ideas related to this topic, or if you want to see any other things in this videos, so let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next videos.